Sino mananalo pag nag one-on-one si Junmar Fajardo at si Greg Slaughter? And Junmar Fajardo at 6'10", center, 8-time MVP, arguably the most dominant player sa PBA history, has a case to be the GOAT of the PBA as well. Greg Slaughter is a 7-foot center who played for the Barangay Ginebra, ngayon nasa MPBL siya. Ito lang yung only player na naging matchup talaga ni Junmar in terms of height and power. Greg Slaughter, alam naman natin, 7-footer, has a solid touch around the basket. Na-label lang talaga to si Greg Slaughter as malambot. Sa one-on-one game sa kanilang dalawa, I have to give this to Junmar. Although, kung papanoorin nyo, lahat ng clips nila na nag-one-on-one sila, pinaka nagpahirap kay Junmar sa PBA ay si Greg Slaughter. Dahil nga sa size niya at saka sa bigat niya, di ba? Pero sa one-on-one game, I feel like Junmar can dominate Greg Slaughter just because, first of all, Junmar is not the quickest, but compared to Greg Slaughter, mas agile pa rin itong si Junmar. I think Junmar has a better post moves, has better all-around offensive game and post moves compared to Greg Slaughter. And I think also has a better footwork. So, I have to give this to Junmar. Kung hindi kayo agree sa mga sinabi ko, kung feel nyo may ibang nanalo, okay lang yan. Comment down below nyo na lang kung sino yung tingin nyo dapat malalo. And pa-explain nyo na rin kung bakit sila yung tingin nyo na dapat manalo dun sa one-on-one. And kung may ideas kayo kung sino gusto nyo paglabanin ng one-on-one, comment down below nyo lang din. And try kong i-discuss sa next episode, guys.